think it's going. I'm making sure.
Yeah.
Okay. It is. It's rolling.
Okay.
I can't see the numbers because it's like on top of the picture, the video.
It's okay.
And it's really hard to see. Yay!
That's going to mess up the microphone. Let's start over.
Well, we have two mics.
Woohoo.
We can't do that. We have to be ourselves. Well, we could do this or whatever if you want.
Yeah, we need a Cabbage Patch. It's called the Cabbage
Cabbage
Patch.
Patch?
Isn't it?
I don't know.
We don't know. We don't know about crafts and we don't know about 80s music.
Okay.
Dance moves.
I don't really know what the dance moves are called, but I can probably do a few of them.
I used to really have some good dance moves.
Oh, me too.
Oh my
They called me B-boy because of my breakdancing ability.
They still call you B-boy and you haven't outlived it. Looks like that's important to you.
Once a breakdancer, always a breakdancer.
That's what they say. That is what they say. Today we're going to do gold leafing. Gold leafing.
All right.
So this particular gold leaf, I put in a tub, and I was advised to do so because
It's valuable.
you open it and it explodes. It just does.
Oh.
It hits the air and there's so much. Oh, there's a little. So, okay.
I already gold leaf that. And as soon as you put something in there, it gets gold leaf.
Gold leaf.
I love gold!
Well, we're going to take this, which is a powder chalky thing.
Okay.
Just like, from your gymnastics days. I'm just kidding. That's funny. Remember doing gymnastics? Okay, I'm not going to use the... Well, I need to clean it. Oh, gosh. It's terrible.
Okay.
Okay, so I have...
Tape.
What
Score
kind?
tape.
Score tape. Supline. Okay, so score tape. And then I have Nouveau glue pen. What is your hands doing?
They're powdery right now.
Oh, okay. So I have Nouveau glue pen.
Okay.
And I have another Nouveau glue pen, which is Smooth Precision. It's like a little doobie-doo, whatever. But I'm going to show you how to gold leaf. It's really addictive.
I'm so confused.
Okay, so we got the powder on our fingers.
Okay, powdered.
We're going to wipe your page with some powder.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay. You're going to wipe your page with some powder.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
And your fingers are powdered. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take some sort of glue.
Okay.
Of some sort. Okay, that's real small. And you're going to go kind of tap it to prime it. And then you can write like a pen. Careful. No, not on there. Do it on your paper. It's fine. It's real precision-y. And it dries fast. So
I didn't even have to tap it very much. Now what do I do? Draw?
Yeah.
Oh.
But start from that point. Keep going. You have to push every once in a while to get it going. You have to push a little bit down. And don't... If it dries, it ain't going to stick. Are you trying to draw a person?
Yeah.
You might just have to draw a severed arm because it'll dry.
That fast?
Yeah. What is that? You're such a good artist. We'll see. You might work fine. Oh my gosh. He's an artist and I am not. What is that? What's happening? Is that a chicken? Okay.
No!
What is it?
It's a B-boy.
Oh, I like it. Okay, get some stuff.
Okay.
So
Now what?
You're going to put some gold leaf on there.
Just drop it on like this?
And press it, tap it nicely. Get it all on the glue part. Use as much as you need.
Oh.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to use score tape.
Okay, now what? I press it on there?
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Well, real gentle, maybe fingertips. Just tappy, 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 tappy. And I'm going to catch up to you with my score tape here. Peel it off.
Okay, now what? Just wait?
Please hold. I can help you, but let me help myself first. That's how the world works.
You gotta help yourself before you can help another.
Okay, so I'm going to take this and take it into the thing. Go tappy tap. Tap, tap. Oh, jeez. A little slower. And then you're going to take this guy.
Oh, my Lord.
What's it? Oh, dog. Let's see. See that?
Mm-hmm.
I made a nice little
line.
strip. Here you go.
It's just a line.
Yeah, I was trying to line. It's just a line. So negative.
It's just a line. I mean,
It really is just a line. But I'm going to go the other direction. I'm going to make it geo. Which you love geo crap. Love it.
a geode?
No, just geo, like, you know what they
Geometric?
call... Geometric, yeah.
Oh, I do. Yeah, I like that. I like the style.
It's kind of what it is. It's like a 60s.
Tap, tap, tap.
It's always about the 60s.
There.
Or the 70s. That turned out really well.
Mm-hmm.
You might want to brush it a little bit more, because it will take off the extra pieces and you'll be able to see it a little better. And sometimes, when it's like something flat like this, you can kind of just rub it with your finger, especially if you've already had the
Oh,
powder
that
on
looks
there.
real nice.
So it's just showing that any sticky, it will stick.
Wow.
I want that.
I don't know.
You might have to wait a second.
Okay. Let it wait. Let it wait.
And then this is with the score tape, which isn't wet. Soup wang.
I like it.
Kind of fun, huh?
Really cool.
I like gold leafing. It's good, though, to have a powder source. Because it's already so electric, this stuff.
Yeah.
But if you powder some things, kind of like flouring at the counter if you're going to...
Make a pie crust?
Yeah, roll out dough or whatever.
So it doesn't stick to everything.
Right. And I thought, well, wouldn't that make the tape not stick and the glue not stick? No. Why? I don't know. Don't ask me. You're like Jeff Probst. Who's going to be out next? I don't know.
I don't know. Why don't you just tell us and get it over with?
He's always asking.
Child was spoken.
Okay.
He always asks every time,
That's right.
who's going to win?
Who's
Survivor. We don't know.
Who's going home this week?
Why don't you tell
We
us
don't
and
know.
then we'll know?
We'll know by the end of the episode, Jeff, so just give us a minute.
Yeah, you already know the answer.
He knows the... Okay.
So that's a rhetorical question, you know? Is that even a word? Did I just
What
say
is
a word?
this?
So if somebody asks you a rhetorical question, they're not actually asking you for an answer.
Yeah, rhetorical, I think, is correct. What is that?
It's a b-boy.
I don't think it is. I think it's a chicken bending over and it has some kind of growth. And these are the wings.
So,
There's the beak.
no. Okay, so here's the street right here, down here.
Street.
These are his hand, one of his hands out like this.
Oh, got it.
He's
Now
up-
I have it.
Now his legs are up in the air. This arm's up in there with a glove. And then this is his bad baseball hat.
Yeah.
Here's the bill looking down.
Yep, I got it right when you said that.
I mean, it's hard to draw in glue. Glue
it is.
Glue
It is.
time.
And it's your first time using it. You
Yeah,
did
it's
pretty
hard to draw
well.
with glue.
Good job.
But that's my b-boy.
That's your B-boy. So anyway, just to show, you can use any double-sided tape, glue, any adhesive looks like, and boy, it sticks nicely.
Just about anything.
Yeah.
You could stick on there. You could put that gold leaf on there.
And we also carry a Craft Warehouse. I'm not endorsed by Craft Warehouse, but I love Craft Warehouse.
Yeah.
They have the gold, the silver, and the bronze at copper, which kind of looks like rose gold.
Oh.
But anyway, it's by the brand Nuvo.
Okay.
Just like these pens, Nuvo blue pen.
Yeah.
And this is by, I have to look this one up. There it is. You can see it right there. There it is. That's what this is. That's it. Got it?
Bing, bing, bing.
It's easier to do this, because remember when we're editing, you don't like doing an arrow like this? Well, let's do it. This thing right here.
If I do it like this right now, it's a lot easier than doing an animation later.
I know, because I say it and you're like, oh,
I'm like, again? I have to animate again?
I can't remember how to do it. And he does it fine.
It is really true. I don't remember.
Anyway, this is what you want for any embossing, gold leafing, and I never ever used it until I was told. But was
You
told.
were just doing what you're told to
I'm just
do.
doing what I was told. Well, there are a lot of things when I started at my work, where I work. I've learned a lot of things, and this is one of them. Cut down on the static electricity already.
Yes. Yes.
So, anyway, thank you so much for joining us and learning just a little bit about gold leaf. Hi, guys. Come here. Oh, good boy. Look at that. Look at you. You're all I want in my life, sweet Gusterson.
Look at the camera.
You love it. Rub his neck. He
The
likes it.
camera loves you.
Camera loves you, Gus. In a few years, we'll be putting him up here and be like, who wants to rescue this thing?